Now we have to test the animation view that we have. It's a good idea to make sure that this code works before we move forward with user preferences and other code in the MyPadWorld sample app for the iPad. Now here we are in MyPadWorld, and as you know, we have just finished changing the view controller, MyPadWorld view controller, to have memory management right here. Well, we don't need to do any customization for the did receive memory warning message because we don't have any cached data, but we're in good shape here. We've already implemented the view did load method here so that we can load our super view, schedule a timer for the animation, which will be in the on timer method, set our falling words to peace on earth, and set our speed to 10. And here we have done the on timer method, which sets up a UI label for falling image view, allocates it, initializes it with a frame. We set the words, the font, the background color, and we adjust it for font size if the text is larger than peace on earth. We establish a starting and ending point for the origin. We randomize the speed, and we also randomize the starting and ending point so that our view should spread across the iPad screen more instead of just being flowing down the center. We've created a start image frame and end image frame. We've set the origin with a CG point make, -100 offset from the top. We have an end image frame, a CG rect make, which sets it to the bottom of the view. We've got the falling image frame starting at the start image frame. We've added the subview for falling image view, and now we're animating it with the duration set by random speed. And the animation is setting the falling view frame to the end image frame coordinate. And you can see code that we put in before that we commented out here and here. We don't really need this code, and we decided to change our hard coordinates here to use end image frame instead. Finally, we remove falling image view from the super view and release it when the animation is done. So let's see if this works. Let's hit the run button. And it's building. The build's succeeding. And here we are with peace on earth flowing across the screen as well as down. As you can see, it's sort of starting at a random origin point. That's along the horizontal x-axis. Well, it's a very nice view, but let's see if we quit what happens. We click the quit button down here, and let's double click that. Sure enough, MyPadWorld is in the background. Let's select it and see if it plays again. And it starts playing again. So it's handling background mode, and it's coming back from it into foreground correctly. Now remember, after doing this kind of a test, because we're going to be doing a lot more to this iPad app, we want to quit here by clicking the home button. But since it's still running in the background, we want to jump back to Xcode and click the stop button. That actually stops the app from running. Then we can switch back to the iOS simulator, choose Reset Content and Settings from the iOS simulator menu, and click Reset to reset it back to its normal state before any app was loaded. Well, that's nice, but there's more work to be done. We need to set up a modal controller so that users can change the text and speed for the animation and save those preferences.